Apple Creator Studio. Apple just launched Apple Creator Studio, a new subscription designed specifically for creators. For $12.99 per month, Apple bundles its most powerful creative apps into one package, aiming to compete directly with platforms like Adobe. So, what do you get? The subscription includes Final Cut Pro for video editing, Logic Pro for music production, and Pixelmator Pro for image editing, now available on iPad for the first time. On Mac, creators also get Motion, Compressor, and Mainstage, making this a complete professional toolkit. Apple Creator Studio also unlocks premium templates and assets inside Keynote, Pages, and Numbers, plus new AI-powered features. Final Cut Pro now includes beat detection to sync edits with music, while Logic Pro gains AI-assisted session players. Pixelmator Pro uses machine learning for background removal and image enhancement. But here's the big change. On Mac, you can still buy these apps with a one-time purchase. On iPad, however, Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Pixelmator Pro are subscription only. If you cancel your subscription, your projects stay on your device, but you'll need an active plan to edit them again. In short, Apple Creator Studio is a strong option for creators already invested in Apple's ecosystem, especially those working on iPad. Whether it's worth it depends on how many apps you use and how you prefer to pay.